It's typically known as the Great Defender, and the name actually comes and dates back to pre-times with Aristotle, where the word pro means before and polis means the city, and so therefore it means before the city, and that directly relates to the hive. So Bee Propolis is known as a sealant, a sterilizer, and an entrance mat because the bees use it to line the inside of their hives, repair their combs, seal the cracks and corners, and they do this all with propolis to protect the colony against harmful bacteria. So they actually line the doormat of their hive with propolis, which each bee must step on prior to entering the hive. Scientists and beekeepers believe that propolis is created from polyphenol-rich resins from tree plants, and these resins are known for their high ability to fend off damaging pollutants that could actually enter the hive and disrupt this. Now you got to remember that the hive is a dark, moist, damp place, and that is a breeding ground for typical bacteria that would grow in a living entity. But the hive is so self-sufficient and it is so self-contained that you have a thriving colony that not only lives there but thrives there, that grows, that breeds, and that duplicates and replicates, and not only does that but creates amazing nutrients for our benefit. The Forever Bee Propolis, as I mentioned, is a fantastic product that comes from this technology of the Bee Propolis. And as I mentioned, we believe that the resins collected from trees and plants are used to protect the plant and heal the damage to the plant or tree. Now, like pollen and honey, the bees extract the resins, but then they add their own enzymes and they together create propolis. So what you see in the Bee Propolis is not necessarily a full direct tree resin, but it's actually been broken down over and over and over with the enzymes to create propolis. There was a newly initiated large-scale field study by researcher Michael Simone Finstrom at North Carolina State University, and he worked in the Department of Biology at the University of Pennsylvania, and they found convincing evidence that propolis in the nest can influence a honeybee immunity. So not only is this propolis helping to guard and keep the hive safe from all those environmental assaults, but it's actually influenced the honeybee itself to bolster its immune support. The research has also noted that it appeared that honeybees co-opted the defenses produced by plants as a type of social immunity, or the colony-level defense against bacteria. So not only did they use it to sustain their hives, they use it to sustain one another so that no germs, no bacteria are communicated from one to the other. So like the bees, man uses propolis for immune support and protection from these environmental assaults. So it can help rid the bacteria from the hive. It also works as a natural preservative. Again, you've got to remember that these bees are creating all of these luscious things like pollen and propolis and honey. But all of those wonderful nutrients are in a very dark, wet, damp area where Mother Nature would like to grow yeast and mold and bacteria and fungus. But the bee will not let her because of the things that it naturally sustains within its body. So this propolis will actually act like a natural preservative. I love this product simply because of what it does in the hive and what we know therefore can translate to what it will do when we take this supplement on a daily basis. It's a wonderful addition to your daily regimen, your Vital 5 system. Add your Bee Propolis for sustained immune support. This is a product, again, that I take every single day. And ever since taking the Forever products, I've experienced an increased vitality that I can't even describe. It's truly